Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I'm standing in a pile of stuff. Good stuff, but I'm going to explain why in just a sec. All right, what is all this stuff and why am I standing in the midst of it? First off, it's the reason why I am building a separate building on my property to run my business because it's taking over my home. I'm currently standing in my dining room amongst many things that I have purchased at the Goodwill Outlet. Goodwill Outlet is not a Goodwill store. It's actually where the stores bring all their things that they cannot sell and you buy things by the pound. So most of what I buy at the Goodwill Outlet in this haul was clothing. I've been down there twice recently. The last time I got about 65 items of clothing, and then this time I got about 70 items of clothing, and they do everything by the pound, so 99 cents a pound. Each clothing item weighs less than 50 cents an item, but I usually average 50 cents an item, and that kind of takes care of shipping as well and my drive down there. So what am I looking at? So I'm going to give you kind of an idea. So in this box right here that I have, I've got some items that I have picked out. I pick out things that are in good condition, no picks, no stains. I have been very blessed that our Goodwill Outlet near me is very, very clean. Some Goodwill outlets that you go to are a hole and disgusting and gross. I want you to know the things that I post are very, very clean. So how do I post them? I basically take the item, like this is a Banana Republic real pretty shirt, and I use a mannequin to display it. So I've got a female mannequin here. I'm just going to kind of give you an idea of the process that I go through. Poshmark is where I've been putting most of my clothes on. If you want to check out our store, just go ahead and click the link below. I will have it listed. But once we get this on the mannequin and looking all nice, then I've actually got a nail here where I usually hang something. I put it up here, and then I do further inspection because usually in this light I can tell, is there a pick, is there a tear, is there anything wrong with it? I'll hang it up here. I'll take my first picture this way, and then I'll turn it around and also take a picture on the back. But I'm going to look for any hanging strings. The big one, I'm going to look for pet hair because I don't want to buy a brand new set of clothes with pet hair on it. I don't know who has allergies. I've got terrible allergies. I don't want a pet hair covered clothes. So this is a Banana Republic. Like I said, I probably, because of the lightweightness of this shirt, I probably paid about 10 to 20 cents for it, but that gives you an idea of how I take the picture. And of course, if it's a male shirt, then I put it on the male mannequin, which I have a male mannequin here that I use as well. Now, what I do when I go through the box is I pull everything out. Like I said, I inspect it. And then I've got all of my good things. These are things I have already listed. So once I get them listed, I bag them up really nicely in just clear poly bags so I know what they are, and then they'll then go in a bin and stored in a nice clean place. If it's got a stain or a pull or a pick in it or strings hanging off or things that I just didn't see in the lighting at the Goodwill Outlet, I throw them over here in this pile because you know, I don't want to resell anything that's in terrible condition. And so occasionally I find a few things at the Goodwill Outlet that I can put on Amazon, but mostly this is all stuff that I'm putting on Poshmark. Here are some items that you might want to be interested in. Right now it's coming up to summer season, so women's bathing suits go really, really well. This one looks almost brand new, well taken care of. Here's another one. This is a Speedo brand. When I go down to the Goodwill Outlet, I'm looking for high-end brands. Banana Republic, Speedo, things with a like a specific theme. This is a old school don't tread on me hat. And so things with good subject matter usually sell really well. And then of course the high-end clothing brands, Tommy Hilfiger, Banana Republic, lots of things like that. Poshmark is brand new to me, but I've been doing really well and I've already sold my first few items on it and I'm really excited about it. But when you go and look at the Goodwill Outlet, make sure that it's clean, in good condition. But that's kind of the process of what I go through. When I list on Poshmark, it probably takes me less than 5 minutes per item to be able to list, and I've got quite a few items on Poshmark already. So check out my eBay store, Amazon store, and Poshmark store. It'll all be listed in the thing in the description below. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I'd love to be able to help you out in your reseller business, because you have sources around you that may not be a Goodwill Outlet, but different than what I have, and you're going to find different things. If you need help learning how to shop a thrift store or even a Goodwill Outlet, check out my reseller program, which I'll put right at the end of this video. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.